My Focus YouTube channel welcomes you to learn Y sound. Y, Y. Y sound is articulated by raising the front of the tongue towards the hard palate. The air escapes between the tongue and the hard palate. Keep in mind, the vocal cord vibrates. Let us practice the sound. Y, 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 Y. Let us see the Y sound in the beginning of the words. Ear, yes, yard, young, yourself, use, union, usually. Here are the Y sound words in the middle position of the words. Here are the list of words for you to understand Y sound better. Focus on the underlined letters. Community, billion, beyond, beautiful, argument, population, million, January. Now let us see the Y sound in different sentences. On every new year, we cut cake. You and your friend are nature friendly. You have a beautiful doll. Let us build the community. This is a billion population. The basket is beyond my reach. The Y sound words need a regular practice. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.